Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Leos for the month of November 2020. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of November. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Leos. Okay, great. This is your energy this week. That is the Six of Pentacles. So, this is showing me that you have been a very generous person. People love you for your generosity, and you have helped a lot of people in your life. So, that is what you will keep on doing. You will be helping people. You might give some charities. You have enough to help people. Look at the good side of it. You have enough to help people, and the more you give, the more you are going to get. So it's a good side of you, Leos. Moving towards your first week, the cards are Three of Wands, Page of Pentacles reversed, and Magician. So this is showing me that as you are, your presence is like a magic. You have skills to attract people. You have skills to basically make people believe in certain things which you want them to believe in. So this is going to be very helpful for you. This skill is going to be very helpful for you. You are planning for a future goal, and this plan is a long term plan. It might involve some kind of an expenditure, so you might, but it's a minor expenditure, so you don't have to worry about it, because it is ultimately going to give you growth. People, maybe you want to learn something new, maybe you want to learn a skill, or you already have a skill and you want to start something new with that is what your future plan is. And this skill is your forte. Let me tell you, this skill is going to give boost to your career, so be prepared for that. Yeah, all right, before moving towards the second week, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, so second week says Wheel of Fortune, Five of Cups reversed, and the Fool. So again, I'm seeing you are going to make a very important decision of your life, and I don't think this decision is something that you had earlier planned for, but yes, I think you have some future expectations with that. So it is not something that you have been planning since a very long time. So it is an abrupt decision. You just want to take a leap of faith. You want to get into something. You want to do something, and it is related to your skills, and it is definitely going to change your life for better. You were in a phase where you believe that you have lost a lot of things in life. You were not expecting that loss, but that happened. But now you have changed your perspective. You believe, you have started seeing the good things which were there in your life, which you were not able to see earlier, and now you are taking a decision which is definitely going to be very very good for you. It is going to turn your wheel towards the positivity in life. The third week says Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands, sorry, Seven of Cups, and the Moon reverse. So again, I'm seeing all the illusions, all the problems which were happening in past fading away, and though you have taken this, but let me warn you, it once you are on this path, it is definitely guarantee you success, but you will have to work very very hard for it. I think in the past also you have been working hard for this particular thing. You will start seeing the result pretty soon. It's not going to take too long because you have been working very hard already. So you are going to taste the sweetness of your victory in this week, and there will be a lot of options available for you. Whatever you want, you can choose, whether it is how you want to spend your money, or you want to get married, or you want to go out on a trip, or you want something else from your life. But yes, whatever you choose, just be careful with that, because few things might be little different from what they see. So just be a little careful. If you're signing a paper, just go through the terms and conditions and the rules and regulations of whatever you are signing. Like, go through each and every point very clearly. Don't just blindly trust someone and sign the papers. The fourth week says Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands reverse, and the Hierophant. So again, look, as I said, something new is coming your way. I think Leos, this is going to be a very good month for you. A lot of things are changing, something new coming your way, a new idea, a new thing to start. Something new is starting, which is going to be very beneficial for you for the future. And for some of you, it can also be marriage. Maybe you were wanting to get married and you find a partner. Maybe you loved somebody, that partner comes back, and you have helped someone. That person is back, and they want to be in your life, and you are very happy about it. So all these things can happen, and you just have to be a little careful with an energy which is like, like, because you are rushing towards the good things in life, some people might be jealous. So for that, you have to be a little careful. But otherwise, you are just doing great in this month, so I'm very happy for you. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. If you want to go for a personalized reading, or if you want to check out your daily readings, please follow us on Instagram. You can mail us also. So good luck.